Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Last time we did till ayah 25. We are going to start with ayah number 26. In Allah, verily or indeed Allah, la yastahi is not ashamed, an yadriba, masalan, to set forth an example or a parable. Ma ba'udatan, even of a mosquito. Fama, or even of something, fawkaha, above it. فَأَمَّا الَّذِينَ آمَنُوا, then as for those who believe, فَيَعْلَمُونَ, thus they know, أَنَّهُ, that it, الْحَقُّ, is the truth, مِرَبِّهِمْ, from their Lord. وَأَمَّا الَّذِينَ كَفَرُوا, وَأَمَّا, as for those, الَّذِينَ, as for those who, kafaru, disbelieved, فَيَقُولُونَ, thus they say, Maza aradallahu, what did Allah intend? Bihaza, with this, masala, example. Yudillu bihi, he misleads by it. Kasiran, many. Vayahdi bihi, va and yahdi, he guides. Bihi, by it or with it. Kasiran, many. Vama, and not, or does not. Yudillu, and he does not misguide. Bihi, with it. Illa, except al-fasiqeen, except the disobedient ones. Allazina, the ones who or those who yankuduna, break. Ahdallahi, covenant of Allah. Mimbadi, after. Misakihi, its ratification. Wayaktauna, and sever or cut. Ma amarallahu, ma, what? Amar is the order. Ma amara Allahu, what Allah ordered. Bihi, with it. An yusala, to be joined. Wa yufsiduna, and do mischief. Fil ardi, in the earth. Ulaika, those are the ones. Humul khasirun, they are the losers. Kaifa takfuruna, how can you disbelieve? Billahi, in Allah. Wa kuntum, and while you were all amwatan, lifeless. فَأَحْيَاكُمْ, then he gave you all life. Summa yumitukum, summa, then yumitukum, he will give you all death. Summa yuhyikum, then he will bring you all to life. Summa, then ilayhi, towards him, turjaun, you will be returned. Huwa, he, allazi khalaqa, he is the one who created lakum, for all of you. Ma, whatever, fil ardi, is in the earth. Jami'an, all of it. He is the one who created whatever is on the earth. All of it. For you. Summa, then summa istawa. He turned, then he turned. Ila samai, towards the heavens. Fasawwahunna, and he made them. Sab'a samawat. Sab'a samawatin, 7 heavens. Wahuwa, and he, bikulli, of every, shay'in, everything, alim, the all-knower. Wahuwa bikulli shay'in, alim, he is the knower of everything. Wa iz qala, and when said, Rabbuka, your Lord, lil malaikati, to the angels, inni, certainly I, ja'ilun, am going to create, fil ardi, in the earth, Khalifa, a successor. Qalu, they said, Ataj'alu fiha, you will create within it, man, the one who or those who, yufsidu fiha, they will create mischief in it, wa yasfiku dima, and will shed blood, wa nahnu nusabbihu bihamdika wa nukaddisu lak, wa nahnu, while we, nusabbihu, we glorify you, bihamdika, with your praises, wa nukaddisu, and we sanctify you, laka. Qala, he said, Inni, indeed, alamu, I know, ma, what, la, you don't, ta'lamun, ma, la, ta'lamun, what you don't know. Wa allama, and he taught, Adama, Adam, al-asma'a, the names, kullaha, all of them. Summa, then, aradahum, he showed them, alal malaikati, before the angels. Faqala, he said, Ambi'uni, tell me, bi asma'i, the names, ha'ula'i, all of these names. In kuntum sadiqin, if you are truthful. Qalu, they all said, Subhanaka, glory to you. La ilma lana, we do not have knowledge. Illa ma allamtana, except for what you have taught us. Innaka, certainly you, antal alimul hakim, you are the all-knower, the all-wise. Qala, ya Adamu ambihum, he said, O Adam, inform them, bi asma'ihim, all the names. Falamma, and when, amba'ahum, he informed them, bi asma'ihim, of their names. Qala, he said, Alam akullakum, did I not tell you? Inni alamu, that I know, ghaib as-samawati wal ardi, the unseen of the heavens and the earth, wa a'lamu ma tubduna wa ma kuntum taktumun. Wa a'lamu, and I know, ma tubduna, what you reveal, wa ma kuntum, and what you have been, taktumun, concealing. Wa is, and when, kulna, we said, lil malaikati, to the angels, usjudu, li Adama, prostrate to Adam. Fasajadu, they all prostrated, illa Iblis, except Iblis. Aba, he refused, wastakbara, and became proud, wakana, and he was minal kafirin, of the disbelievers. Wakulna, and we said, Ya Adamuskun, O Adam, dwell, anta, you, wazawjuka, and your wife, al jannata, in the paradise, wakula, and eat both of you, minha, from it, ragadan, freely, hey sushittuma, from wherever you both wish, wala takraba, but both of you don't come near, hazihi shajarata, this tree, fatakuna, lest both of you become minas zalimin, of the wrongdoers. فَأَزَلَّهُمَا, then made both of them to slip, ash-shaytanu, the shaitan, anha, from it, فَأَخْرَجَهُمَا, and he got both of them out, mimma, from what, kana fihi, they were both in. وَقُلْنَا, and we said, ihbitu, get you down, ba'dukum, some of you, liba'din, to the others, aduvun, as enemy. Walakum fil ardi, and for you is on the earth, mustaqarrun, a dwelling place, wa mata'un, and a livelihood, ilahin, for a certain amount of time or a specific time. This is ayah number 40. We'll pause here and then inshallah we'll cover the rest in the next one. Barakallahu fikum. Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah wa la sharika lahu wa ashhadu anna Muhammadan abduhu wa rasuluh.